Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths, and we are revising the division. Okay, so let's start. 4 grams 675 milligram by 5. We have to convert it into gram. So 4 gram as it is 675 divided by 1000. Why? Because it is in milligram and we have to convert into gram. So it becomes 4.675 divided by 5. So it is 5. We have to give first 0. Okay, give decimal here. 4 minus 0, 4. Then give decimal. We have to take here 6. So 4 9 the, I'm sorry, it's not 4, it's 5. 5 9 the 45. 6 minus 5, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Now we have to take the next decimal, next digit, that is 7. Okay, it becomes 17. 5 3 is 15. 7 minus 5, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now take the next digit, that is 5. Okay, so it becomes 25. So 5 5 is 25. So what will the answer here? 0.935 gram. Okay, don't forget the unit. Next, 8th example. 8 gram 400 milligram by 4 in grams. So 8 gram as it is, then 400 it is in milligrams. So 400 divided by 1000. So we get here 8.400 should be divisible by 4. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 8, 0. So before taking 4, we have to give here decimal, right? Now take 4 here. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0, and give these 2 0 here. Okay, so what will the answer here? 2.100 gram. Everyone understand the division? Fine. Once again I will tell you the steps. Okay, same in the multiplication. We have to first convert the given quantity in the unit given in the bracket. ब्रैकेट में जो यूनिट दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग्स हमें क्वांटिटी को पहले कन्वर्ट करना है. अगर कोई दो क्वांटिटीज में से एक क्वांटिटी अगर सेम यूनिट में हो तो वो ऐसे ही लिखो. फिर जिसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है तो उसको किससे डिवाइड करना है उसके बारे में सोचो. ठीक है. आफ्टर कन्वर्जन यू हैव टू डू द डिवीजन. गेट इट? Okay, and most important, we have to give the unit also, right? It is important. Now our next topic is temperature. Okay, so just 1 minute. Yeah, first of all we see the measuring atmospheric temperature, and then we will see the examples on it. Okay. Measuring atmospheric temperature. So the temperature at the time of the day when it is very hottest, means the temperature of a certain city or the certain areas when it is very hot, that means at the afternoon, or we can say at 12 noon, right? So the temperature recorded at 12 noon is the maximum temperature. And what is the minimum temperature? The minimum temperature at the time of the day when it is very cold. Of course it is in the night, right? No? Now next, the Celsius thermometer. Now we have to understand the structure and the diagram of Celsius thermometer. Okay. So see here, 0, we have to draw such a type of thermometer. Okay, it is atmospheric temperature, Celsius thermometer. At 100 the water boils, at 0 degree water freeze. Okay, and 35 to 50 it is very hot temperature, then 25 to 30 it is warm, and then 20 to 25 it's a pleasant climate, then 10 to 20 it's cool, then 0 to 10 it is cold temperature, and 0 and below it is very cold. Okay, fine. Now it is the atmospheric temperature. Now the thermometer which is used to check our body temperature, it is a thermometer, right? Na? So I think everyone has a thermometer at your home and everyone has seen. Okay, so what is used here? It's a mercury, right? Na? It is silver in color, right? So see here how it is marked. It is in Celsius, right? So normal, always remember what is the body temperature. Normal body temperature, it is 37 degrees Celsius. It should be asked in your exam for true or false or in the fill in the blanks. Okay, now for mild it is 38. Okay, high temperature is 39 and 40 is the dangerous. Okay, now next, a clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. ये जो thermometer है ये हम किस लिए use करते हैं? We have to use this thermometer to measure the body temperature. Okay, a Celsius clinic thermometer is marked from 35 to 40 degree. This thermometer is marked from 35 to 42 degree. Okay, the normal body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, it is in Celsius, always remember. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. In Celsius it is 37. A Fahrenheit clinic thermometer is marked from 95 to 110 and the normal body temperature is 98.4 Fahrenheit. अगर सेल्सियस में पूछा तो 37, अगर फ़ारेनहाइट में पूछा तो 98.4. Always remember these things. Okay, in India we normally use the Celsius scale, but Fahrenheit scale is often used to measure the body temperature also. Get it? Now we'll start to exercise 6.4. Convert the temperature given in the Celsius to Fahrenheit. अगर टेम्परेचर आपको सेल्सियस में दिया है तो फ़ारेनहाइट में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है? मैंने यहाँ स्टेप्स लिखे हैं. एग्जाम में आपको ये स्टेप्स लिखने ज़रूरी नहीं है. यू हैव टू राइट सच लाइक दिस. ओके, एंड डू इट. ओके, सो इट इज सेल्सियस टू फ़ारेनहाइट. First of all, we have to multiply it by 9. So 0 multiplied by 9, 0. Then divide by 5. So 0 divided by 5, we get 0. 0 plus 32, we get 32 Fahrenheit. Right, na? Next, 25 degrees Celsius. Then 25 should be multiplied by 9. We get 225. Then it is divided by 5. So we get 45. And then 45, we have to add 32. So what we will get here? 77 Fahrenheit. Get it? Next, 30 degrees Celsius. We have to first multiply by 9. We get 270. Then divide by 5. We get 54. And our next step is we have to add 32. So we get 86 Fahrenheit. Right? So last example, it is 40 degrees Celsius. So first step we have to multiply by 9. We get 360. Then 360 should be divisible by 5. So we will get here 72. Then last step we have to add 32. 72 plus 32 we get 104 Fahrenheit. हमने सेल्सियस का किस में कन्वर्ट किया? फ़ारेनहाइट में. कैसे? फर्स्ट स्टेप मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9. नेक्स्ट स्टेप डिवाइड बाय 5 एंड थर्ड स्टेप वी हैव टू ऐड 32. अब हम फ़ारेनहाइट का सेल्सियस में करेंगे. कन्वर्ट द टेम्परेचर गिवन फ्रॉम फ़ारेनहाइट टू सेल्सियस स्केल. Okay, it is little bit light color here. Okay, so you can see in your copy, otherwise you can see on the screen. Convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what will the first step? Here we have to go just opposite of the first step, that is first we have to subtract 32. Okay, so given here 122 Fahrenheit. So 122 minus 32 we get 90. Okay, so 90 should be multiplied by 5. We get here 450 and 450 should be divisible by 9. Then we get here 50 degrees Celsius. Get it? Next example. 135 sorry 131. So 130